when I first started teaching people how to invest better, we gave out little medals. We might bring these back. This went to Ravi, 100% return in FTSE over 12 months. Crocs, he got 100% return. Brent crude oil, Medifast as well. This was one of his investments. He did better than I did that year. And it was the first year we started. My job, I'd explained to him and others, was to turn 10,000 into 100, 100 into a million. The problem is, how long does that take? Well, 15% per annum, which is the S&P long-term average, means you double your money in 5 years. Okay, so if you manage to do it any sooner, out of any level of skill or vetting or filtering, then hey, it'll be sooner. You do the math, you can work it out. Okay, whilst I review every 12 months, I'm looking to hold about 40 stocks, maybe 25, maybe 15 at an absolute minimum as well. Anyway, if you want to learn a little bit more about adding structure to your investments and you want to download a free copy of this book, it's one of 18 that I've written, alpeshpatel.com/links. Thank you very much. And I've got a campaign for $1 million. Basically, it's campaignfor1million.com to teach 1 million people how to be better investors across their lifetimes and add an extra $1 million to their pensions across their lifetimes. That's the goal with Ravi. That's what we're planning. I think we're on the right track. It takes a bit of time to learn, and you won't win that many medals in your first year. I think Ravi's broken the record where he got 4 100% return stocks that first year. But I want to try and do it for as many people as possible. Thank you.